Have you ever been down here?
Never.
Really?
It's really great.
It's great down here. We're going to be on our way to our newest listing, which is located at 7700 Maze Road in Duncan. It's just over 3 acres. It has a 3,600 square foot craftsman home. It's got a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, semi-detached in-law suite. It's got a 4-bay carport. It's got a detached double garage with power. And it's also got a 3,500 square foot commercial grade shop. It's located just minutes to downtown. It's located by the Saison Bakery. There's also the Valley Cider Company just up the street. It's a pretty road to walk on as well.